Unit 7. Natural Wonders of the World. IELTS Speaking Part 1. Questions and Answers. 1. Do you enjoy traveling to natural places? Yes, I love traveling to places with a breathtaking scenery. I enjoy visiting majestic mountains, serene lakes, and forests full of countless species of plants and animals. Being in nature makes me feel relaxed, and I always try to explore new places whenever I can. 2. What is your favorite type of landscape? I really like a varied landscape that includes mountains, rivers, and forests. I think places with a magnificent scenery are the most beautiful. For example, I love locations with stunning natural wonders, like waterfalls and caves. These places always amaze me with their beauty. 3. Why is it important to protect the environment? Protecting the environment is important because our precious planet is facing many problems like pollution and climate change. We need to conserve biological diversity to save rare species of animals and plants. If we take care of nature, future generations can also enjoy its beauty. IELTS Speaking Part 2. Describe a natural place you would like to visit. You should say where it is, what it looks like, what you can do there, and explain why you want to visit it. One natural place I would love to visit is Ha Long Bay in Vietnam. It is a world-famous destination known for its limestone features and breathtaking views. The bay is surrounded by majestic mountains, and the water is a beautiful shade of blue. In the early morning, you can see mass clouds of white mist floating above the water, making the place look magical. Ha Long Bay is home to a diverse group of plants and rare species of animals. It is considered a natural marvel, and I think it would be amazing to explore. I would love to take a boat tour around the bay and enjoy the breathtaking scenery. There are also some islands with caves where you can go on a challenging trek to reach the top. Some caves even have underground rivers, where you can see the flow of the river inside the rocks. Another reason I want to visit Ha Long Bay is because of its peaceful atmosphere. Even though it is a famous tourist spot, there are still many quiet areas where you can relax. I have seen pictures of people sitting on boats, watching the sunset over the water. It looks like a paradise. I think visiting Ha Long Bay would be an extraordinary achievement for me because I love exploring nature and taking beautiful photos. It is one of the most unique places in Vietnam, and I would love to experience its beauty in real life. I hope to go there one day and enjoy everything it has to offer. IELTS Speaking Part 3. Questions and Answers. 1. Why is biodiversity important? Biodiversity is very important because it helps keep nature balanced. When there is biological diversity, plants and animals can survive in their natural environment. If some rare species disappear, it can cause pollution and other problems in nature. That's why we must conserve biological diversity and protect the planet. 2. How can we make tourism more sustainable? To make tourism more sustainable, we need to focus on sustainable development strategies. For example, travelers should avoid harming nature and follow sustainable practices like using eco-friendly products. Governments should also invest in protecting natural sites and take measures to control pollution from tourism. 3. What can governments do to help protect nature? Governments can do a lot to protect nature. They can improve infrastructure in national parks, create laws to prevent pollution, and provide finance for conservation projects. They can also assist small businesses that support eco-friendly tourism. If governments focus on protecting the environment, we can all enjoy nature for a long time.
The Green Team Adventure. At Greenwood School, a diverse group of students from various locations joined a club called the Green Team. Their main objectives were to conserve biological diversity, assist small businesses, and plan sustainable development strategies for their town. The club held an annual meeting in the school garden, which felt like a paradise with magnificent scenery and diverse biology. "We must invest in nature and improve infrastructure in the city to make it greener," said Lily, the club leader. They looked at the urban landscape around them and saw the degeneration of the land. It was time to take measures. Lily said, "Let's not hesitate to act. Our dedication to work will help the town." Tom, a student, always showed hesitation to speak, but this time he raised his hand. "What if we plant more trees in the park and use sustainable practices?" Everyone clapped. It was a groundbreaking discovery for the team. The mayor gave permission to plant trees, but not without rules. He said, "I permit you to plant trees, but wear safety vests. I can't let you dig near the power lines." He even had the students meet local workers to learn about city plans. Some students wanted to climb a nearby hill to plant rare flowers. Lily said, "Only go with proper climbing gear. And don't forget to get permission from your parents." In science class, they learned that endangered species were disappearing because of the loss of biological diversity. There were countless species they could help. The teacher told them, "Your commitment to this project will earn admiration from the whole town." Every week, they received regular messages from the Green School Network. Sometimes, it was a prompt call to help with cleanups. Once, it was an instant call about a water leak that needed immediate attention. They also helped local farmers with a new project that used fewer chemicals, leading to a reduction in costs. This was a key component of their plan. They used a special recipe to make natural soap from plants, truly a recipe for success. Their little soap business grew, and the town provided finance to help them grow more. They worked with sustainable development in mind and worked tirelessly. One day, they met identical twins who had made a groundbreaking discovery: a plant that could clean polluted water. The twins became heroes. Later, the mayor said, "We cannot prohibit you to act. You're changing the town for the better." From helping